ಇನ್ನಿತ್ತೆ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಯರ್ ಅತ್ತ ನಿಕಲು ಐಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಣನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನಿತ್ತ ಟೀಚರ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್.
Okay.
Okay, to judatta maataregla. Can everyone see my screen?
And
Yes. And
Okay. Inita class ಎಂಡ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ಒಂದು ದಾಯಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಪಲ್ಟಾ ತೋಜೊಂದುಂಡು ಪುರ
ಅವು ಆರ್ನೈಟ್ ಫಾಂಟ್ ಇಜ್ಜವು ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವು ಅವು ತುಳು ಫಾಂಟ್ ಇಜ್ಜಾರಡ ಅಂಚಾದ ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ಎಂಡ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ 8th class in the standard skip manguda enita class idu conversation at market, grocery store, school. Enita class idu nama market banda
sante
tulutu sante endu antare. Grocery store angadi, school shal. Mulpa encha conversation sambhashane mankuni encha patirni undetta ಬಗ್ಗೆ nama kalbudeni class idu. Okay. Bhaskar na undetta ಬಗ್ಗೆ panoda
yeah okay. So officially this is our last class today. This is 8th class but including our inauguration this is 9th and we planned 10 classes and the next class is the last class. So for next class as I mentioned last time also, so this is a project work. So I think we will give only 1 or 2 homeworks Monday and Tuesday. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you work on your project work. Like the requirements are here, like around 200 to 300 words. Take your own topic or subject. Then if you want, you can write it. And if you cannot write, then you can request your parents to help. Okay. And then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you record and submit this in 3 parts. Or if you can record in 1 part, that's also fine. And if you can record that in 2 parts, 3 parts, that's also fine. But submit that before next class. And in next class, you just present what you already recorded. Okay. So this will be the last class. Okay. If you have any questions, then we can answer. Okay. There's a question, I think. Okay.
You're doing a drawing or dance. How do you include words?
If you are doing a drawing or a dance, how do you include the words?
A video.
Okay, so this is it's basically if it is like if you are doing a dance, but that should have some content, right? Some script. So is that a song? Then you can just say that song. Okay, so I think this is a little, I think got confused, I think, okay? So there are 2 things. One, this is part of the school, our class course assignment, the project work. And there is one more thing that we are planning is to do a presentation or a song or a dance for Bisu Parva. That is different, okay? We will let you know that in the next class or after the class. Okay.
Bhaskar and it's better this week because very few days left.
Yeah. So
this week we will send in the WhatsApp.
Yeah, that is different because you learned so many things in Tulu words and all. No, we want to put at least some 2-3 minutes or some kind of either dance or song or anything for the upcoming Bisu Parva. Okay, we will give you the script, what to sing, and he can just record that video and send us, and we will collaborate all the songs from all the kids, and then we will make a video, and then we will use that in our virtual Bisuparva. Okay? Ate Shreevalli?
And I akale I tar pandarate dance and akala own andala it's okay.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. That is the other thing. We want to do from this class and one presentation from this class.
Yes. If they have their own dance skit or anything, if they want to do themselves, that is totally okay with us.
That's a separate thing. We can just submit the this one request. There is a Google form. You can sign there and then do that. Okay. So just put out the Tulu Panpanu, Undu Namana class of the Nickel Enchina Kaltar Panpanainonji, Tupuna, how project work. I can irnu that Munu at Shabdolena Unji, oral presentation Nickel Malpodu. How read the Muji small paragraph with Nalavando. Niklegi ista aina unji Vishaya, Niklegi ista aina unji topic, subject, Vishaya and Niklu. Getondu aita ಬಗ್ಗೆ panle. Okay. Unden niklu next Budavara, Guruvara, Shukrara, Muji dinata homework maltu submit kadapudle video kadapudle. Aidoka aitarda and the class avin niklu panle. Okay. I thought to namanundi itte the class adeg mugipundu bokka nana mittugu including the jasti vishayalena ante enchine grammar the ಪಂಡ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣದ ವಿಷಯ ಮಲ್ತದು ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಡೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಐಕ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆದಿಪ್ಪು ಓಕೆ
Marcel had a question.
Okay.
Well, my question is there's a specific day to send the video, or we can send it any day?
Yeah, you can work on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You can send any one of those days. Okay, by Friday you should submit that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, by Friday you submit the video on Flip app. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll have only homework only for 2 days this time on this subject. Then other 3 days you use it for your presentation. This one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anybody have any other questions? Okay, we'll post this.
Your simple question. When are you going to ask in the class? Or you're asking before?
Oh, that's in the class when they present that. Yeah, there's a question we will be asking. You can just basically we'll be asking 3 to 4 questions. It will be very simple questions. Irna pudarenchina, ammana pudarenchina, or something like that. Easy. Okay, you don't need to prepare for that. Just. You should be able to tell that spontaneously, okay? Jagdeesh,
a question Adya Ishan.
I was wondering about the 200 to 300 words. Do we have to write them all in Tulu, or can some be English?
Oh, any language you're comfortable. If you want the Tulu words, that's it.
Okay.
You mean writing? You can use any. Yeah. And either write in English, but if you're writing in English, like Enna Pudara means you write Enna, ANNY, right? And PUDR like that. Okay. That the writing is only for your comfortable, like so that you can read, look at that and read. Okay. Okay.
Writing you need not send, but it's better you send writing also, because sometimes what we don't understand what you say, right? So if you send that too, it will be easy for us. If you send writing also, it's good. If you are not sending also, it's okay.
Okay, Ishan.
So you said we have to present in the last class, but you also said today is the last class.
Oh, okay. Today is the last teaching class. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Today is the last teaching class, and today is the 9th class. And 10th class is next. That is just for the interaction with you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Next class is the exam. Exam is
Yeah.
light
Yeah. We don't
exam.
say it as an
Not a big
exam
exam.
because everything is open.
It's a light exam. So it's not.
Presentation.
Yeah, you will be doing that before coming to the class. So it's not an really exam. You're just okay. I think there's one more hand. Shilpa Shit. I think it is Samay.
Samay.
I'm going to be in India for the last class, so I might not be in the last class. But we'll try to send the presentation.
It's
Okay,
okay. You
but-
send a video, Samay.
Yeah, you submit the video. Okay, that's okay. Okay, you can do it on Wednesday or Thursday and then submit. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Any other question? Ijate? Viji. Beternal internal prashnelulane. Do you have any question?
Chatted parted.
Itinde chatted
minutes
padle.
over.
Yeah, if you the betel prashne itinde chatted padle, ijita WhatsApp group would kadapudle.
And then
Okay.
better group. Jagdeesh continue monthly.
Okay. Nama prati class Tulu culture we always discuss something about Tulu culture in every class. So today's topic is Yakshagana. So Yakshagana is an ancient form of theater that originated in southern India, which is basically the Tulu region, which is Mangalore, Udupi, and northern part of Kerala, these regions. So as you can see here, there are a couple of pictures here that shows the artists and costumes with vibrant colors. You can also see on the right, it's a stage that's typically set outdoors, temporary stage, but that has all the requirements for a stage to perform this art. The Yaksha means celestial being. Gana means song. So it's considered to be a performance that was inspired to be believed by the gods or the celestial beings. Erandala Yakshagana Tara. Has anyone seen Yakshagana performance anywhere?
Itchy.
This involves beautiful music, drums, and dance, costumes. And typically it's played overnight. And these days it's limited to like until midnight or so. But in the past,
one question. Just in case those who have not seen this, if you want to see, there is a Yakshagana troupe coming this year. June, July, August. They will be touring from from West Coast to East Coast. So it's a good opportunity to watch that. Okay.
Most likely in your city there will be a program. One of them,
Yes.
they're traveling all.
Correct.
Okay. Tulu to Yakshaganaga ಆಟ ಅಂದಲ ಬಂತು. ನಮ್ಮನ ತುಳು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಪುದರ್ಲ ಆಟ AATA ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನಗ ಆಟ ಅಂದಲ ಬಂತು. Okay, we'll go to the next section. Anita conversation, market, grocery store, school. So we'll have few sections: rice and spices, pulses, lentils, salt, etc. Then how to converse at a vegetable market, then at a fish market, at fruit stall, flower market, school, and then at the end we'll have some practice sentences. You will basically look at some pictures and then you will make sentences. Okay, it's the first the rice ari even ari. Okay, ari. Okay, ari to beta type the ari undu. Different types of rice. Onji white rice. White rice ku bolante ari. Okay. Beta brown rice ku urpel ari. Urpel ari. Bolante ari, urpel ari.
Why not buldu ari?
Buldu ari? Yeah.
Yeah,
Can be, but
yeah. I think they some call it as buldu also. Also in Urpel Are also there is a variety called buldu.
I think
yeah.
Bolante means whitish.
Yeah.
whitish, yeah. Yeah, correct.
Boldu is white.
Mhm.
Bolante means whitish. That's,
Yeah. Yeah, I think it is not wrong if it's not wrong if you say buldari. So that is also
People will understand and they might
Yeah.
say, oh, voluntary.
yeah. And also
Just-
one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. Like in English, you have rice, cooked or raw. It's same, right? Same word, rice. But in Tulu, you have different words for it. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
It's are they okay? Mhm.
Okay. When you sentence, how much for a kilo of white rice? Tulu tenjaganoni, how much in o word Tulu to? Eighth. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. Anja onji kilo, a kilo, right? Onji kilo, bolante arikku eighth. Onji kilo, bolante arikku eighth. How much for a kilo of white rice? How do you ask for brown rice then? Yeah, Adya, okay.
Onji kilo urpel ari ke yetta.
Yes. Excellent. This brown rice, urpeller, is typically also called as Mangalore brown rice or Kerala matta rice. There are different ways people call it. It's not exactly the same brown rice that we get here in other stores, but most of the stores that are of southwestern origin, you will find the brown rice there. Okay, the next duka munchi. Munchi is pepper. Are these chilies spicy? Spicy gu kara. Okay, kara. Munchi chilies or pepper. Munchi kara unda. Are the chilies spicy or hot? I want to get a kilo of chilies. How do you ask for it? Okay, Adya here.
Yenka onji kilo manchi korle.
Okay, excellent.
Munchi.
Anyone else wants to give a try for another sentence? I'll ask the question and then you can put that into. Let me. I'll give a sentence in English.
Yeah, I think love it.
Do you have chilies?
Love it and Sanvi Panpara.
Anyone wants to give a try?
Okay.
Do you have chilies?
Irena pass chili undi.
Ireda.
Ireda.
Entra pannire? Ireda.
Ireda
Kaittallu.
munchi undi.
Munchi unde. Okay, excellent.
Okay,
Alright.
ಮುಂಚೆ ಉಂಡ ಐದು ಮೆಂಜಿನ ಪನ್ನಿ ಸರಿ ಪನ್ನೆ
ಯಾರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಪನ್ನಿ ಅವು ಹಿಂದಿದ
ಪಾಸ್ ಅತ್ತ ಈರ್ನ ಕೈತಲ್ ಅತ್ತಡ
ಈರೆಡ ಅದು ಪಾಸ್
Ireda.
ಪಾಸ್ ಪಂಡ ಕೈತಲ್ ಈರ್ನ ಕೈತಲ್ ಇದಿನ್ನಡ ಈರ್ಡ ಇರೇಡ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಡೆ ಪಂಡ ಮುಂಚಿ ಉಂಡೆ ಅಂಚಕೇನ್ಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಸಾರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏರ್ ಪನ್ಪರೆ ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಪನ್ಪರೆ
What was the sentence again?
You can say about coriander, like ask for 2 kilos of coriander. Anyone wants to give it a try?
ಕೊರಿಯಂಡರ್ ಪಂಡ ಒಂದು ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ.
Coriander seeds. Kothambari. Right side untadi.
ದರ್ಶಿಪಲ್ಲೆ.
Enka Radda kg Kothambari border.
Very good.
Awesome. Okay.
Anyone wants to give it a try for this? Onion.
ಆದ್ಯ ಮುಜೆ ಜನ ತವಲುಂಡು ಕೈ ಮಿತ್ತು ಬೇತೆವರೆ ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಹೊಡಿಪುಂಡು ಸಮಕ್ಷ ಕೈ ಮಿತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನಿತ್ತೆ ತಿರ್ತು ಹೋತುಂಡು ಕೈ.
Yeah, Atharva is
ಅಥರ್ವ ಉಂಡು. ಅಥರ್ವ ಪಲ್ಲೆ. ಅಥರ್ವ ಪಲ್ಲೆ.
Which sentence?
As for 1 kilo of onion, do you have 1 kilo of onion?
Enka onji kilo nearly korle.
Very good. ನೀರುಳ್ಳಿ ಬೋದು.
good.
Very good.
Excellent.
Okay, next is samaksh. Okay.
Okay, Samaksh, you use this one. Coconut.
Coconut panda tarai.
I want 3 coconuts.
Enk Muji
Ah,
Tarai
ah. Very good.
Very good.
Kurle.
Manjunath.
Korle. Yeah. Okay. Korle is give. Good.
Yeah. Anyone wants to give a try for coconut oil? I need
Manjunath.
Young ಒಂಜಿ ಕಿಲೋ ತರಿಯಾದ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಏತ.
Tarai.
Very good. On Hari. Okay. Manjunath is Hari. Okay. Very good.
Okay. Good. I think we can go to the next section. Okay. There, salt, black pepper, sugar, and other lentils. Okay. First, is salt available in this store? Salt ಗೆ ಉಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಾನೆ, ಉಪ್ಪು. Okay, ಉಪ್ಪು. Salt is ಉಪ್ಪು. Store, ಅಂಗಡಿ. Okay. Unde, is it available? So, is salt available in this store? ಈ ಅಂಗಡಿಡು ಉಪ್ಪು ಉಂಡೆ. Okay. Can someone say about sugar? Check whether sugar is available in the store. Darsh, okay.
ಈ ಅಂಗಡಿದ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಉಂಡೆ.
Very good.
Good.
Very good.
Okay. Okay, next one, let's do this one. The black pepper. Black pepper again. Edde munchi vandu. Edde munchi. So, munchi vandadade? Munchi vanda chilies. Red chilies. First, we already looked at in the previous slide. So, munchi vanda, red chilies. Edde munchi vanda, black pepper. Edde vanda nananju meaning lo undu. Eragana gottunde? Anyone knows the second meaning? Yeah, go ahead. Samaksh.
Is it good?
Yeah. Edde vanda good. And sometimes you can see that the context changes. So it doesn't mean it's like it's the good red chilies, right? So munchi is red chilies. Edde is good. So that doesn't mean it's good red chilies. It's edde munchi basically means black pepper. So that's some difference.
It is edde because it has a health medicinal value.
Okay, right.
That's why it's called edde. It's good.
Yeah. So you can see here, both are used here. Good, black pepper, edde munchi. Good, edde undu. Okay.
Yeah, note that context-based meaning. One is type of chili, and the other one is the quality. It's a adjective, right?
And then this one, very. Sometimes we can say bari, must. These are all alternative words that we use for very good, very. Must, bari. Sometimes people also say like, but that's origin is different language.
Mast.
Uh,
For
okay.
lentil, you can say bede or something.
It's not able to
Very
do
bad.
it.
Okay.
And
So next one, lentils. Lentils, they're called bale. Okay. So if you're going to ask half kilo lentils, ink, that means to me, are the half. The lentils,
They
pigeon
know
peas. That is called togari bed. Okay. For para, will you give? Can you give? Okay. Ink, arda kilo, togari bed for para. Now you can see depending on what kind of lentils, we will say togari or we will say urdu. Urdu means black gram lentils. And then mung beans. Mung beans, they are called hadengi. Hadengi, bed. Bean lentils is bed. Mung bean is hadengi. So arda kilo togari bed for para. Okay. Can someone try this one? Black gram lentils. I think let's find out. Marcelo, do you want to give it a try? Marcelo Lara.
Marcelo was there. But
Okay.
yeah, he's there.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
try. Okay, let's try Lavit and Sanvi.
Yes. What's the question?
Question is, ask for half kilo of black gram lentils.
Okay. Ink ir arda kilo urdu bele kurpara.
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
All right. I think we can go to the next one. Sorry, my mouse is moving. All right. Okay. All right. Here, now we are in a vegetable market. Okay, grain vegetables. If you want to ask, do you have vegetables here? Vegetables, okay? You say tarakari or kai kajipu. I think I didn't. Oh, here, yeah. Vegetables means kai kajipu or tarakari. Okay. Do you have vegetables here? Here is mulpa or mulu. Both of them mean similar, same. And vegetables, kai kajipu. Do you have unde? Mulu, kai kajipu, unde. Okay. Now, this is okra. Okay, now, let me find that someone. Marcelo, do you want to give it a try? Ask, do you have okra here?
Mulpa, okra, unde.
Bende.
Yeah.
Very good.
Very good. Very good.
I think Sam will. We can try this one. Edentina is good, fresh good. Okay. Do you want to try this one? Cucumber.
Shlok pan pare.
Sam, I will ask Sam this time.
Any
Mulpa tekkare unde.
Unde. Eddentina tekkare unde. It's like fresh
Jagdish,
good.
ಶ್ಲೋಕದ ಪನ್ಪಲೆವರ
Erada shloka. Okay. Shlok. For shlok, can you try this one? Mulpa. Then you can ask, do you have ivy gourd here? Good or fresh ivy gourd here?
Mopa Manoli Unde.
Okay. Eddentina, we can ask if you want to say fresh or good, then you can say Eddentina Manoli Unde. Good.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಆರ್ಹ ಅಂಡ್ ಆದಿಗುಕೆಲ್ಲೆ ಸುಷ್ಮನ್.
Okay. So now let's look at the third sentence. If somebody asks, okay, do you have fresh vegetables today? Ini. Today is ini. Okay. Today is ini because vegetables in the typical markets, they keep replacing them every day, right? So you can ask today or yesterday or will they come tomorrow, this kind of thing. But for now, just let's focus on being in present today. So now the answer could be like, yes, ma'am, all vegetables. Yeah, there's hold on, just let me just finish this one then. Yes, ma'am, all vegetables are fresh from the farm or garden. Okay. Ma'am is typically we can say akka, andu akka, or amma. Akka also means sister or mother, so we'll say yes, ma'am is typically akka or amma. All is pura. Vegetables, khai gajipu, fresh or good, Eddentina. Farm or garden, we can say tota. Tota came is battini. Okay, tota. Farm is tota. Andakka pura khai gajipu Eddentina, tota battina. Okay, yeah. Daksh, not Daksh, Darsh.
Arha.
No, Darsh had a question. Let me kind of like.
Okay.
Darsh, you had a question?
Dashya.
Okay. Anyway, yeah. So maybe then we'll ask Arha. Arha, can you say this is called Malabar cucumber or Mangalore cucumber. Can you say, is this fresh? You asked, is this fresh? Yeah.
Inni Eddentine Kai Kajipu. Wait. Yeah. Would it be Kai Kajipu unde? Or would I have
could you substitute that Kai Kajipu with this one?
Okay. Inni Eddentine Tinna Taute unde.
Okay. Good. Have you seen this one? This vegetable?
Yeah.
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಪ ಆದಿಲ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಆದಿಡಲ ಒಂಜಿಕೆಲ್ಲೆ
Adi, okay. Adi. Okay, Radi Raga, okay. Let me ask Adi, okay, first one. Then we'll come in that order.
Next Raghav, okay.
Okay. Adi, can you ask, I want to get 1 kilo of rich gold. Adi? I want 1 kilo of rich gold.
So, no?
Enke, I want, I would like to get enke.
Enke?
1 kilo or 1 pound or 2 pounds of rich gold. I want 2 pounds of rich gold.
1 kilo?
Only kilo. Pire.
Bodo.
Excellent. Okay, Raghav.
Yeah.
Can you say, or can you ask, is Oppo fresh?
Is what? Wait, what's fresh?
This one, the Oppo.
Oppo. Okay. Um.
Is
Pure
Oppo?
Oppo Entitina.
Oppo is Ture. Okay.
Ture.
Ture Eddentina unde.
Onde. Ture. Wait. Unde. Unde Eddina Uppu.
Oppo ku Ture undu. Ture.
Onde Ture Enditana. Enditina.
Ture Eddentina
Unde.
unde.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one, Siri, okay?
Okay. So before that, let me go to this this section. So maybe we can form a sentence using that. Bende Piriana. Piria is expensive. Okay. Expensive is Piria. If it is cheaper, like antonym, cheaper is Agga. Okay. Anyway, that we don't need to worry. So this is just saying Bende Piriana. That means is okra expensive. Agga Undu, which one is cheaper? Cheaper is Agga. Expensive is Piria. Agga is cheaper. Okay. Now, who had the hand up before?
Ask for Siri. Siri kelle.
Siri. Siri. Okay. Oh, Siri. What? My phone Siri activated.
I see.
Okay. Siri. Okay. Basale, which is Malabar spinach. Okay, this is also a type of spinach. This is called Malabar spinach. Okay. Can you ask to Siri, right? Siri. Okay. Can you ask?
I Siri palle.
Okay. I see. Siri. Can you ask? Is Malabar spinach, which is this vegetable here, is it expensive?
Basale Piriana na.
Okay, Piriyana. Is na is like more like is kind of. So
Question.
because if you say Basale Piriya, that means it's like the statement, assertive sentence, right? It's not interrogative. So if you want to ask as a question, then you will add something like Bende Piriyana. So that means is okra expensive or is Malabar spinach expensive? Okay. So the last sentence is how much is the total for vegetables? Kai kajipu ottugu eta apudu. Ottugu is total. Ottu is total. And eighth is how much, you know already. Kai kajipu is vegetables. Apudu is how much is it kind of thing. Okay. I think we can go to the next one. Here. Sorry, something happened. Oh. Google Slides, then you probably okay.
And then you can relaunch probably.
And then but it's coming. All right, here again.
Yeah, you have to share. I think you lost a share.
Okay. One. Is it visible now?
Yeah.
Correct. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Next.
Ishan Palle.
Ishan. Huh? Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, Ishan. Maybe you can ask. Do you have fish and chicken here? Mulpa, meene, bakka, kori, unde. Fish is mean, and chicken is kori.
Mm.
Okay. Now, if you want to ask which type, which is woe, type of is bagetta, fish is mean, available is undu. Right? Ishan, can you say mulpa, mackerel? I mean, do you have mackerel here? Mackerel is this. Equivalent.
Mulpa Bangude
Hmm.
Unde.
Excellent.
Very good. Next one is Priya. Okay.
Priya?
Priya, I think that is a parent's name. I don't think that is a kid's name.
Yeah.
Priya,
Priya?
Anand.
Anand.
Actually,
Actually, Sanvi Baka Lavi Tottugu. And I love it. Bete login malde. Molini bete login maldo.
So, okay.
Sanvi
Yernath ji, Sanvi Nandate,
Sanvi Nathji, Lavit Nand.
Okay. It is
Okay.
Sanvi Panada.
Sanvi, can you ask, do you have prawns or shrimps? Okay, here. Do you have?
Itti. Ireda. Ipasala. Ireda. Itti. Unde.
Okay, very good. So now, who else is pending?
Is Sam answered, right?
Yeah, Sam is done. And Aryan. Who is Aryan?
I think that is our Ranjani.
Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. And then I think we are pretty much, yeah. So now let's go back to Adya.
I haven't.
Oh, okay. What's your name? Sorry.
Samay.
Samay. Okay.
Okay.
Samay. Okay. Can you ask for 1 kilo of sardines?
Okay. 1 kilo of sardines.
Sardines, Tulu word is this one. Okay.
Okay.
Enke. One is 1G.
1G.
Kilo.
Kilo. Butia. Butai. Korle.
Okay. All right. So then the last one maybe is the eggs. So eggs is tetti. Okay. Tetti. Okay. I want 10 eggs. Enk, pat, tetti, la, bor. Again, here, because there is additional word also, therefore we kind of say tetti la bor, au la bor. I need that also. Okay. All right. So we'll go to the next one. Okay, now we are in the fruit section. Bananas. Bananas is called parand. Okay, parand. Bananas is parand. I will buy 1 dozen bananas and 8 mangoes. Anyone knows what to say for mangoes? What's the Tulu word?
Kuku.
Kuku. Yeah. So mango is kuku. 8 is edma. And bananas is parand. So now let's try with Adya. Can you ask whether bananas are fresh? Fresh is edentina.
No.
Are bananas fresh? So bananas, you know what to say. Bananas.
Paranda.
Fresh edentina.
What is fresh again?
Edentina. Edentina. Edentina.
Edentina.
Parandu. Parandu edentina unde.
Unde.
Okay, so the next one is jackfruit ripe or unripe? So ripe is, see, now we can, as I mentioned before, this is based on context, same word can be used twice. Like here, this paranda means bananas, ripe bananas, but you can also say for some other fruits like that are ripe, you can also say that as paranda. For example, jackfruit. This is called gujje or pelakai. Okay, both of these are used. So now if I want to say, is jackfruit ripe or unripe, then I would say gujje parandu unde at kaya. Kai. Kai is not ripe. Parandu is ripe. Okay.
ಒಂಜಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಂಡ್ ಸೊ
Samit. ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಪರಂದು ಉಂಡೆ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ಗೆ
ಬಚ್ಚನ್ಕಾಯಿ ಪರಂದುಂಡೆ ಅತ್ತ ಕಾಯ
ಓಕೆ ಬಚ್ಚಂಗಾಯಿ ಪರಂದುಂಡೆ ಅತ್ತ ಕಾಯ. Okay. Again, one more word. What is this?
Bonda.
Bonda, which is tender coconut or young coconut. There is another word. What is this?
Bonda?
Bonda, yes.
Bonda.
So this is bonda, this is bonda. Okay. So depending on how you say, things will be different. They can mean different things. Okay, so this is bonda.
Bonda is a snack.
Yeah, bonda is a snack, right?
Fried.
Whereas bonda is young coconut with water. Okay.
Bonda is like salty donuts.
Yeah. Right. Okay, so then since we're like kind of close, so I will go through a little bit faster. So has anyone seen this one? Cashew fruit? Oh, Samaksh has seen. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, a lot of people have seen. Okay. So this is called gomku. Okay. And there's a star fruit, darapuli, and the ice apple from palm fruit, palm tree. This is Erol. I just showed it here because these are kind of like typical in the Mangalore area. So if you go there, you will probably get to see this. And many other places, it's not easy to see these kind of fruits. Okay. So here the words to look at are bonda is tender coconut. Bonda means a snack. And paranda can mean two things, bananas. Because in a proper way, the parandu is also the bharata parandu, like banana fruit. So that's how it's supposedly to be said, but typically it's shortened as just parandu. So in Tulu areas, if you go say Enku parandu board, that means typically people assume it to be banana. But if you want to say a ripe fruit, then you can say parandu pelakai or parandu gujja, or you can say parandu bachanga, you can say parandu parangai, parandu gonku, parandu darepuli. Okay.
If you go to Toranto, almost every corner shop will have banana. So
Yeah.
common, that's why people default when you say paran, they take it as banana.
We have bananas in our backyard in Toronto.
Okay. Do you want to say that in Tulu? Backyard. You can just say backyard. Okay. You want to say it in Tulu?
Tulunadu in a backyard. Parnadu.
Parandu.
Pandu. Pandada. Maja undu.
Bare. Parnada marak bare and the panpuni.
Excellent. Okay.
You heard me? It is bare.
I don't know what's happening.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, let's switch this over to. Let's see.
Parnd is also, if we say ripe, that is a parnd.
Remember, bale, not bale. Bale means kid.
Bare, tulut bare.
Bare, correct.
Bare.
Okay.
Boka parnd panda, ripe gla parnd panpir. Bare da parnd matrat. If it is kai, parnd. Kai, the opposite word parnd.
Okay. So let's go to the next section. Oops. Okay. Flower market. I want 6 roses. Enk aji gulabi. Roses is gulabi. Okay. Gulabi on the right. I want 6 is aji kempu gulabi board. I want 6. Kempu is red. And then you can also see Mallige, which is jasmine. Jasmine, Mallige, is jasmine flower available in this store? In this is E, store is Angadi, jasmine is Mallige, flower Pu or Pushpa. So typically Pu is used. Sometimes people also will use Pushpa. Okay. And Unde. Okay, Unde is it available? Is available. Okay, now Raghav, can you say in this store, do you have roses?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You want to try? In this store,
yeah,
are roses available? You can say.
Yeah. Gulabi.
Yeah.
Wait, one second. And Angadid. Gulabi. Pu unde.
Excellent. Okay, then garland is called male. Okay. So garland is male. So if you have a garland of flowers, then you will say male. Then you will say whichever flower. If you say, for example, this the marigold is called gondepu. Okay, you can say gondepu male corporate. Can you give me? Okay. All right. So I think let's go. I want to go to the last one. I don't know why this is switching. Sorry about that. I can just switch on. Okay, the last section is basically trying to make some sentences. Okay, school. Before that, let's also do this school. School is shale. Okay, shale. How many students are there in your school? Irna shale eighth jokulu. Students is also called jokulu or kalpartil. And then if you want to say every day is dinola, and teacher is gurukul. Okay, and playing is gobbara. I like playing in the school. Is enk shaled gobbara ista apun. Ista is I like. Gobbara is playing. Okay, so about continues. All right, I'd like to show this one. Now I want to have the sentences made here. Maybe let's go from the beginning. Raghav, can you make a sentence for the first row of pictures?
First row.
Yeah.
Inka. Unde kilo. Unji kilo. Ani. Ari.
Ari.
What is the last one?
That's like receiving, getting. Give me.
Kilo. Ari.
Porle. Porle. Yeah. Give it to me, please. Yeah. Okay. All right. Adya, second one.
Munchi.
Munchig.
What would that be?
This is how many? Munchig. How many or how much? Yeah. How much should be? Yeah. It should be how much. How much here? Okay. Munchig. Munchig. Eighth. Yeah.
How do you say money in Tulu?
Duddu. Kasu.
Duddu.
Eighth duddu. Okay. Excellent. Then Samhit. Third one. Samhit.
Yeah.
Samhit, third one. Do you want to?
Muji thara I bag de padle.
Padle. Excellent. Okay. Muji thara undu bagged padle or undu chila. But bag is good. Fine. Okay. Next, Samaksh. Can you make a sentence for the first row of pictures? Samaksh? Okay.
Inka, nearly.
Yeah.
How do you say
Katkaman Punaga? Okay.
Katkaman Puna.
Kannadu. I get tears when I cut onions.
Yeah, how do you say tears?
Kannanir.
Kannanir.
Appudu. All right. Then Marcelo, can you make a sentence for the next one? The middle line. Okay, Marcelo is not there, or he's trying to unmute. Okay. Anyone else wants to go for it? Second one.
Suparna here.
Okay. Okay. I think namana time on battade.
Papa gujjendle lepuni.
Okay.
Message part.
Muji. Okay. Hands. Muji. Hands mittu otodu. Muji kai mittu otodu. Okay.
Dhyana.
Dhyana.
Darshupod. Darshulena.
Dhyana.
Darshu.
Moola.
Oh, Darshu. Okay.
Moola sakkare bokka
Uppu.
Uppu. Unda.
Brilliant. Okay. Next, third sentence. Atharva.
But wait, what is
This
that?
vegetable is cucumber tekkare. And
Tekkare, bokka,
bende.
Yanku bodu.
Excellent. The last slide.
Sam has a question.
Yeah.
What is the difference between apundu and avundu? There is no word avundu. What?
Avu is there. Avu means yeah, it's okay. That I will say. Okay. All right. These three will end the class here. But if anyone wants to go for it, please, for the first line. Okay, Erna hands mittundu so far. Love it. Okay.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Undu angadidu tetti bokka kuri unde.
Unda. Okay, very good. Unde, very good. Okay. Next one. Anyone? Samak, you want to say? The middle one? All right. Sam, do you want to try this middle one?
Bonda, Florida did at Mexico did.
Okay. Bonda, Florida, to Mexico. Okay, very good. And last one. Anyone?
Me?
Yeah.
Nama Shalida Pudar and China.
Okay. Irna. Irna. Yeah. Okay. I think we are 8 minutes over. Sorry about that. I think we're at the last slide.
Dhanyavadagalu. Solmelu. Dhanyavadagalu.
Ini dada kaltaru. What did you study today? Ini dada kaltaru. What did you study today?
Bye.
Plant fruits.
Bokka?
Bokka vegetable.
Kai kajipu tarakari. Bokka? Flowers.
Flowers.
Okay. Spices.
Bokka
rice. Ari.
And rice.
Okay. Aita bagge kalte. Excellent. All right. I think we are Bhaskar.
ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಡು ವರ್ಮ ನಿಮಿಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಡು that okay, I think
Sam, to answer your question, apundu means it's happening now. Avundundu means it's happening, it's going on.
Oh, avundundu. Yeah, I think that's what I meant.
Avundundu, not avundu.
Okay.
Avundundu, it's going on, happening.
Yeah, okay. There's little confusion based on the content, like past and future.
Avundundu is ongoing. It's happening, fruit happening.
Yeah, in Tulu, it's rare to see present tense, but it's always present continuous tense.
Okay. That makes sense. Avundundu is
And
continuous. Okay.
yeah. So when you make it as present tense, then the regular present tense, then it becomes kind of future tense or past tense.
Americadi onji tulukuta boditinde. Americadi onji tulukuta boditinde. Akhila America